In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur an image in Canva. First, add an image to your design. You can do it by choosing an image from the Elements tab or upload your own file from your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this image. Now to blur the image, all you have to do is select it, then go to the top toolbar and click this edit option. From here, go to the tool section, click see all, and select blur. There are two options that you can use to blur the image. The first one is brush, and the second one is whole image. Use the brush option if you only want to blur some specific part of your image. To do that, just set the brush size first, then set the intensity here. Once you've done that, just brush it on the part that you want to blur. For example, I want to blur this card, and it blurs instantly. Now use the second option if you want to blur the whole image. To do that, just set the intensity here by using the slider. So that's how to blur an image in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.